Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terribellini, and in this video I want to give an update on my roof. So I got a brand new roof recently, probably like a couple months ago, and I've actually had a couple issues so far. So one of them is, there's a hallway closet over here that I was up there doing some work a little bit, and I noticed there was a patch of wood that wasn't there from the decking. And so I called them up and said, hey, there's kind of a area where there's no wood. You want to come in mind and come checking it out? And he did, and he didn't notice it, and he thought it was almost borderline negligence that the crew didn't fix that. So that had him come back over. They ripped up all the roofing in that spot, put new decking down, new roofing, and repaired it. So that has been taken care of. The other issue is that this patio cover has been a pain ever since the beginning, but it was not originally permitted, so it's a flat roof where water kind of just sits up there. So when they re-roofed it, they tried to add a little bit of a pitch to it to help it drain. And before they did the new roof, it was not leaking at all, but it is now. So actually I'm getting water coming in. You can see some staining a little bit right there. So it's actually coming in and dropping right here and pooling up. And they came over and they sprayed the roof with water and tried to recreate the issue, and they couldn't do it. So what they're going to have to do at some point is come over here with water again, spray it until hopefully it starts leaking, or do it when it's raining, and they're going to start pulling these panels off. You can see more staining here. So basically all along here, all along there, and over here. But they're going to pull all the paneling off to see if they can see where the leak is coming from, so they don't have to rip out everything and start all over again. So I'm not sure where the leak is coming from, obviously. They don't either. So it's just going to kind of be, I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but that's kind of the state where the roof's at right now. It's been kind of a pain. I just kind of want it done at this point, so I don't have to worry about it anymore. But I think that's just home ownership. So just want to give a quick update on that. I will let you know when it's completed and where they find the leak and what the issues are. I'll probably show you the process too when they rip out the paneling. I'll try and catch some of that footage to show you what it looks like. But if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.